Ooh, she's breezy out today. Yikes. Okay. Pardon me, I'm just putting my gloves on here. Ooh, she's breezy out today. Here's my dad's sawmill. He just put a new log bunk on it there this year. Looks kind of familiar, don't it? See, that's how his log clamps work, his dogs. You just got it's an old, it's a Hakenbear, and you put a rubber belt on it for the sawdust. There's a blade, and he has a, used to run off a V8 Dodge engine that was in that shack there, but now he's got a drive shaft that comes up out this way. You put the tractor on this side. He's got transmission in there spun around backwards for your speed, and it runs a PTO off the tractor now. Pardon my camera skills here, it's freezing cold out, and the snow is up to my waist. I'm supposed to be back out west right now, but my flight got canceled today. I gotta get a drive to the city tomorrow to catch my plane. There's the hydraulic valve for the carriage forward and back, and that there is a guide you flip up if you're just running 1-inch boards. You flip that up and you can just, right? There's the blade and transmissions and everything in there. I'm not gonna open that up till I'll buried with snow. Carriage. There's the log deck. Just a quick video here. It's getting dark and it's cold out. Here's the outgoing side, but you can't see nothing because it's a pile of snow, but that's where the wood comes out onto here. And that's probably, there must be a guard where the PTO runs out underneath. The belt drives up over there. So very similar, a little different, but quite similar to my old mill I got out west and putting together. See, it's all steel frame. So it's not a very good, I guess I should have videoed this a few weeks ago before it snowed, but oh well. It's my last day. I fly out tomorrow morning, so let's get some last minute videos here. He's got a big old planer over there that runs off the PTO of the tractor. Man, there's a lot of snow. Oh look, went to my knee, almost to my knee in snow. There's the old mill. She used to run off a 360 Dodge engine, now it runs off a tractor PTO. Here's just a little bit of the property here. There's the ocean, the Bay of Chaleur.